my LaceMate babes. My name is Cherie Boyd, aka Misty. I'm a salon owner, stylist here in Los Angeles, as well as the creator of LaceMate Magic Bond, the cream of the crop of lace glues. I get often asked, why is my glue different from the rest? And I simply tell them, with LaceMate, it dries and clears super quick, so you save on time. It's a high performance glue, breaking the barriers of high humidity, heavy perspiration, and oily skin. A little goes a long way because it's very concentrated, eliminating messy residue, so easy cleanup. There's no harsh chemicals in the product, so it's very gentle on the skin, which prevents skin discolorations and breakouts. But wait a minute, you guys, get into this. The best is yet to come. With only 2 thin layers of this magical product, we give you up to a 3 to 4 week hold. Yes, I said it. I dare you to try 3 thin layers. It will give you a hold lasting 4 to 6 weeks. So feel confident to swing your hair, flip it, toss it, wear it up in a high ponytail, get turned up for all you party girls. Hey! And that lace won't lift. Trust and believe. So sit back and enjoy all the testimonials from stylists, customers, clients, as well as YouTube beauty influencers of why they choose LaceMate Magic Bond to be their #1 choice in lace glue.
LaceMate is the adhesive that we are going to use today, my loves. As you can see, I am using small drops of the LaceMate. This adhesive is amazing, you guys. It doesn't take as much, okay? But just make sure that the coats are drying clear before you allow yourself to put on a video that you just got done watching was me installing just the lace frontal. The frontal that I used came from Ali Pearl Hair. It was amazing frontal, transparent lace. I loved it so much. But let's get into the LaceMate. If you would have seen in the video, I used the LaceMate grip adhesive. I'm going to rate this a 10. And the reason why I'm going to rate it a 10 is because I love how quick it dries, okay? Make sure that you put on 3 to 4 coats though, and make sure that you allow it to dry clear. I really like it. I would recommend stylists to definitely use it. So make sure that you pay attention to the information in the caption below and go and check out.
Hello everyone, my name is Arcasia. I am the CEO of Cherie Collections, and I'm here to let you know, spill the tea, give you a little bit of the secret of what I'm using right now. The only bond glue that I'm using right now is LaceMate. This is not paid. I spent my hard-earned coin on this, but I love this product so much. It only takes 2 layers. That's right, 2 layers. And I am a procrastination patty, let me tell you that. I will wait until the last minute to do my hair when I'm getting ready to go to work. And to have a glue, an adhesive that only takes 2 layers. Sister, do you know how long it takes for 2 layers to dry? It don't take that long for it to dry. And then, because I'm wearing it right now, of course I already said it's the only thing that I wear. Duh. But look, tell me, where's she going? Where's she going? Where's she going? Nowhere. I almost knocked off my clips. Gotta keep it cute, honey. But yeah, I'm telling you, get you some. And I've even worked out in it. I've also taking a shower and gotten it wet on accident. Ain't in here trying to, pretend like I'm just, her. But all I had to do, tie it down, let it dry. It was good to go. So get you some. Seriously, like, you won't regret it. You will not.
I wear wigs all the time. Living in Louisiana, the weather is unpredictable and quite humid year-round. In addition to that, I sweat a lot. Like a lot. I've tried numerous methods to adhere my units, but I only managed to get a couple of days without the lace lifting or completely slipping off. I heard about LaceMate Magic Bond from a YouTuber I'm subscribed to, and because both the cost of the product and the shipping were more reasonable than any other adhesive I bought online, I decided to give it a try, and I'm so glad I did. I applied 2 thin layers and the product dried very quickly. I didn't even need to use my blow dryer. The hold was incredible. I tie down my edges at night for bed and when I shower, and there's been no lifting at all. If you're an avid wig wearer, I highly recommend LaceMate Magic Bond.
So I used 2 coats of it in very thin layers, and this glue dried so fast. The premium lace glue. Do you hear me? This glue works really well, works really fast, and is superior quality and its high performance. Like, you ain't got to do too much for this glue. No harsh chemicals, and it prevents breakouts and like irritations to the skin from some of the other glues will make you have a irritation on your skin. I have a client that is irritated by lace glue, and she used some of the other more famous brands, but this one right here is very sensitive. It's for sensitive. A little bit wet, it won't start to lift, and I didn't get any residue from the actual glue or buildup on the skin. The only thing I had on there was just residue from the gel laying down her baby hair, and the wig is in place so secure. Like, that wig is not moving. I pulled it up in a ponytail. I didn't have any issue with it lifting at all whatsoever.
Ladies, if you have not yet picked up a bottle of your LaceMate Magic Bond glue, then I don't know what you're waiting on. Let me tell you, this is the best glue that I've ever used. Now, I have a YouTube channel, which I did a full tutorial on how I actually install my wig using this glue. And when I tell you, I got so many compliments. The hair, it just looks like it's growing out of my scalp. When you apply the glue, it's so like invisible on the sides that you don't even need to use any heat. The actual hairline is just flawless. People will compliment you more based on how your unit looks, and I've never used a lot of glue on my units. I've always just pulled some of my hair out on the sides, but I am so hooked on this glue that I need about 3 or 4 or 5 or 6 or 7, maybe 10 bottles of this glue. Okay, it's so easy to clean up. It is sweat proof. You can actually wear your wigs up to 3 to 4 weeks, just depending on how many layers that you put on, and you really just need a very thin layer. Compared to other glue out there on the market, you don't really need to use a lot of heat. Once you put a thin layer, it starts to get tacky right away, and then you can actually just have your wigs adhere to the actual skin. And to clean up, it's very simple. You can either use alcohol, any types of oils that you can find, or you could use just normal glue remover to remove the glue. But I'm telling you, this glue is a miracle. This is what's out there. Please get you some of this glue, because people do not have time to be sitting down waiting on the glue to actually dry before you can go out and go to work, okay? So definitely pick up a bottle or 2 or 3 of your LaceMate Magic Bond, because you will not be disappointed. And once again, my channel is Poetic Angel Wig Reviews on YouTube, and you can actually see a full tutorial that I did and also an update on this glue. All right, my queens, you will never be disappointed. LaceMate Magic Bond.